So let us begin with our discussion on questions of laws of motion. So in this segment, we are dealing with the questions without considering friction. So let us begin with the first problem. A rocket with a liftoff mass of 20,000 kg is blasted upwards with an initial acceleration of 5 meter per second square. Calculate the initial thrust or the force of the blast. So for this particular question, if we consider something like this, that this is the rocket which we wish to launch, and we need a thrust force to do so. So there is a thrust force Ft acting in this direction. The weight of the rocket is acting in the downward direction, and then the rocket will acquire an acceleration of 5 meter per second square. And we are considering the mass of rocket to be m. So if we wish to write an equation for such a situation, so I can write that net force F net is equal to ma, and hence we write it as thrust force minus the weight which is acting in the downward direction, that is equal to mg, is equal to ma, and then we obtain that thrust force is equal to mg plus a. So if we put the values over here, so we have 20,000 kg, g is 10 with an acceleration of 5. So on solving, we obtain it as 3 into 10 to the power 5 Newton.